In 2026, the Islamic Republic of Iran remains one of the most complex military powers on the globe. Divided between the regular Artesh and the Revolutionary Guard, its strength lies in the hybridization of technology. From the deep tunnels of the Zagros Mountains to the Persian Gulf, this is a force built for total defiance. This is a breakdown of the steel and the wings of the modern Persian lion. The human element is Iran's primary shield. With 610,000 active duty personnel, it is the largest standing army in the Middle East. The regular army utilizes the G3 battle rifle and older M1-style steel helmets, while the elite Revolutionary Guard is equipped with AK-103s and modern ballistic gear. This massive force is supported by the Basij, a paramilitary reserve that can mobilize millions of volunteers in days. Iran's Air Force is a living archive of aviation history. They are the final operators of the F-14 Tomcat, keeping nearly 40 units flight-ready through indigenous engineering. They fly alongside the F-4 Phantom and F-5 Tiger. However, the fleet is modernizing. The arrival of Russian Su-35 flanker jets in 2026 provides a high-tech edge, creating a strange mix of 1970s American muscle and modern Russian electronics. The Armored Corps operates 2,500 tanks, a fleet designed for brutal attrition. The backbone is the T-72 but the pride of the force is the Kara, a highly modernized tank featuring explosive reactive armor and advanced fire control. In the rugged terrain of the Iranian plateau, these iron columns remain the ultimate argument in territorial defense. Deep within missile cities, vast underground bunkers, Iran stores over 3,000 ballistic missiles. This is the largest arsenal in the region. Key assets include the K-Bar-Shikun, the Fatah hypersonic missile, capable of reaching targets 1,400 kilometers away. These tunnels span miles, ensuring that even under heavy bombardment, the retaliatory strike remains ready. Iran has mastered the art of the drone swarm. With an inventory exceeding 5,000 UAVs, they lead in asymmetric air power. The Shahed 136 suicide drone is the most famous. But 2026 sees the mass deployment of the Mohajer-10, an armed drone capable of 24-hour endurance. This is the democratization of the sky, cheap, mass-produced, and lethal. Iran's helicopter fleet is a remarkable survivor of the 20th century. At its core are hundreds of American-made platforms, including the AH-1J SeaCobra and the heavy-lift CH-47 Chinook. Despite a half-century embargo, Iran's Hessa Corporation has reverse-engineered these frames, producing local variants like the Tufan attack helicopter. It is a fleet held together by Shia engineering will, providing essential mobility in the rugged Persian highlands. Iranian Guard, the Persian Gulf, operates a Mosquito fleet. Instead of large cruisers, they deploy over 200 fast attack missile boats and a silent fleet of Ghadir-class Miyit submarines. Designed for ambush and swarm tactics, this force is capable of paralyzing global trade routes in hours. It is a navy built not for prestige, but for denial.
610,000 men, 2,500 tanks, over 300 helicopters, and a massive arsenal of 3,000 ballistic missiles. This is complemented by a swarm of 5,000 drones, creating a blueprint of a nation prepared for total attrition. Born from the brutal lessons of the 1980s and hardened by decades of isolation, the Iranian military in 2026 remains a testament to the idea that quantity has a quality of its own. In a world of high-tech precision, they prove that mass endurance and asymmetric defiance can still shift the scales of history. Every piece of gear we've examined today carries the weight of a long-standing standoff. This is the burden of history. This is Archival Kit. Subscribe and explore the equipment that defines our era.